First, attach the propellers properly. Mount the propellers with silver dots onto the silver-topped motors. Mount the propellers with black dots onto the black-topped motors. Check the tightness of the propellers. Make sure they're not too loose and not too tight. Turn on the remote controller in the aircraft. Ensure the aircraft's self-check is functioning properly. Enter the DJI Go app. Check the GPS signal bar. The signal is strong if the indicator has more than 3 bars. Pay special attention to the system status bar, which indicates the state of your aircraft. Check that the battery level is enough for a safe flight. Check the internal temperature of the battery. If the environmental temperature is very low, it's recommended to preheat the battery to 20 degrees Celsius before the flight. Check the live HD video feed from your camera to make sure image transmission is working well. If the HD video link signal icon only displays red bars, your current environment contains too much interference and is unsuitable for flight. Then, calibrate the compass. Set the spot where calibration was successful as the takeoff point. Use the combination stick command on the remote controller to start the motors, and wait for the app to say,
"The home point has been updated."
The appearance of a green home point on the map indicates that the home point has been successfully recorded. The takeoff point will strongly affect the remote controller and the signal of image transmission. Therefore, flat, open, and spacious areas should be chosen as takeoff points. Try to avoid tall structures and buildings. Next, observe the environment to judge if the current wind strength is suitable for flight. When tree branches are swinging substantially, wind speeds may be over level 4 on the Beaufort scale, and too strong for a stable Phantom 3 flight. When a pedestrian feels strong wind resistance, wind speeds may be over level 5 and too strong for a stable Inspire 1 flight. If there's bad weather like rain, snow, or fog, flight plans should be cancelled. Please try to avoid the following: environments with lots of birds, crowded areas, areas with tall buildings, extremely high altitudes, and environments with severe signal interference.
The home point has been updated.
Please remember to fly safely while enjoying the fun of capturing beautiful scenery. See you next time!